Let us go through some of the common string manipulation functions using PySpark as part of this topic. We'll be looking at concatenating strings as well as case conversion and length. When it comes to concatenating strings, we can pass variable number of strings to concat function. It will return one string concatenating all the strings. If we have to concatenate literal in between, then we have to use lit function. We have seen this as part of the previous topic as well to understand more about lit. When it comes to case conversion and length, we can convert all the alphabetic characters in a string to uppercase using upper. We can convert all the alphabetic characters in a string to lowercase using lower. We can also convert first character in a string to uppercase using init cap. Rest of the characters in the string will be of lowercase. Using length, we should be able to get number of characters in a string. All these four functions take column type argument. Let's create Spark session object using this code snippet, and also we'll be creating the data frame using the list employees. This actually take care of creating the data frame for us. We'll preview the data once the data frame is created. Now the data frame is created, we should be able to run this to preview the data. Now let's create a new column by name full name, concatenating first name and last name. This is how it look like. We are using with column to actually apply this concat function to concatenate first name and last name and generate alias by name full name. This is how it will look like. With column takes the alias as first argument and the function call as the second argument. You can see the output here. All the names are concatenated here and you can actually see the full name here. If you wanted to add space between first name and last name along with comma, then we have to use lit. This is how the function call will look like. As part of concat, we have to provide the column names which are supposed to be concatenated. In between, we wanted to introduce a literal, which is nothing but comma and space. This is how you should be able to include literal between first name and last name. Now first name and last name will be separated by comma and then space. You can see the output here. As we have gone through details related to concat, now let's talk about case conversion and length. We'll be performing few tasks to understand the behavior of all these functions. We'll be using employees data and we'll create a data frame. Then we'll apply all four functions on nationality and we'll see the results. In this case, I'm creating the list employees once again. Using this employees list, I'm actually creating the data frame. You can actually see the data frame being created here. Employees df is the data frame name. Now I should be able to import all these functions such as lower, upper, init cap, length, etc. As all these functions take columns as column type, we have to import even call. Using call, we can pass the column names as strings and it will convert the string to column type, and hence we should be able to use functions such as upper, lower, etc. using those column type column names. Let's import all these functions and let's run this. If you look at this code snippet, I am selecting only employee ID and nationality, only two fields out of all the fields. Then I'm actually using with column to add four additional fields. Those fields are nothing but nationality, upper, lower, init cap and length. These are nothing but the names of the columns depending upon the function that is being used. This is for upper, this is for lower, so and so forth. Now you can see the output here. When it comes to upper, all the characters in the string are converted to uppercase. When it comes to lower, all the characters in the string are converted to lowercase. When it comes to init cap, all the characters are lower except the first character in each of the words separated by space. You can see here. And also you can see the length here. This is how you should be able to use functions such as upper, lower, init cap, length depending upon your requirements. As part of this topic, we have understood details about concat as well as these four functions. Let's deep dive further to understand more about string manipulation functions as part of the subsequent topics.